If you run a hotel, you already know that your website isn't just an online business card, right? It's basically your digital front desk. It has to do way more than a cookie cutter site for a local plumber or bakery. Guests expect to, check availability in real time, compare room types, see photos and reviews, and actually book on the spot. If your site is slow, confusing, or doesn't handle bookings well, people will bounce and go straight to the hotel down the street. Now in this video, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for your hotel and how to avoid some really expensive mistakes. Now stick with me here because missing just one thing that I'm about to cover could quietly drain thousands of dollars and a ton of time out of your own bank account, and you may not even realize it's happening. Now, hotel websites, they have a tougher job than most small business sites out there. You're not just, trying to look professional, you're trying to sell nights, show off your rooms, manage availability, and build trust in a matter of seconds. Your site has to handle online bookings, sync with your existing systems, and still be simple enough that your front desk or marketing person can update it without having to call a developer every week. Now, choosing the wrong builder, that can lock you into a clunky design, poor mobile experience, and missed bookings that you never even see. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, so if you're like me, and you don't have time to research dozens of website builders out there, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of hotels, go ahead and click right up here, this link, and try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade it later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. So let's go ahead here and start with the platform that for most hotels is going to be the easiest and most reliable choice. Now, if you want the best overall website builder for most hotels, Wix is the one that checks the most boxes. It's ideal for small to mid-size hotels, boutique properties, bed and breakfasts, and even small chains that want a professional site without hiring an agency. One of the things that hotel owners really like about Wix is how visual and intuitive it is. You can drag and drop room photos, create separate pages for each room type, and add things like amenities, FAQs, and local attractions without touching a line of code. For hotels specifically, Wix shines with its booking tools and integrations. You can accept reservations directly on your site, collect guest details, and even sync with calendar tools so you don't double book. It also has solid mobile designs, which is huge because so many guests, they search and book on their phones. And the main limitation is that if you're a large hotel group with complex integrations or a custom property management system, well, you might eventually outgrow Wix and need something that's a little bit more specialized. But for the majority of independent hotels and small brands, the flexibility and ease of use far outweigh that concern. Pricing-wise, expect to pay in the lower monthly range for a basic site and a bit more for plans that support online bookings and extra bandwidth. Now, it's still way cheaper than hiring a web developer, and you get control of your site yourself. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you care a lot about design and branding and want your hotel to feel like a lifestyle experience, well, the next option here might catch your eye instead. Squarespace is perfect if your hotel leans heavily on aesthetics and branding. Think boutique hotels, luxury inns, or properties in trendy areas where the look and feel matters just as much as the room itself. It's known for clean, modern templates that can make even a smaller hotel look high-end. Hotel owners like Squarespace because it keeps everything polished, typography, spacing, and layouts that all work together out of the box, so your photos and the brand really stand out without you needing to be a designer. And for hotels, its strengths are beautiful image galleries, easy to build pages for rooms and suites, and simple tools to highlight amenities and local experiences. And you can connect booking tools or embed third-party widgets, but this is exactly where Squarespace can fall a bit short compared to Wix. Wix generally offers more direct booking-focused features, more flexibility with apps and integrations, and more options for customizing the booking experience itself. With Squarespace, you might find yourself kind of relying more on external services or workarounds instead of having everything really tightly integrated. Pricing is typically in a similar range to Wix, sometimes slightly higher, depending really on the features that you need, but still reasonable for a professional hotel website. Now, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. Now, next here, if your hotel is more budget conscious or you're more comfortable being a little bit more hands-on behind the scenes, there's another platform that can give you a lot of power for the price. Hostinger is a great fit if you want maximum control and performance on a tighter budget. It's especially appealing for hotel owners who don't mind rolling up their sleeves a little bit more, or who have someone on the team that's at least somewhat tech comfortable. Now with Hostinger, you're getting fast, affordable hosting plus access to tools like WordPress, which opens up a ton of hotel-specific themes and plugins. That means you can build a site that does exactly what you need, right? So online bookings, dynamic pricing plugins, integrations with property management systems, and more. Hotels tend to like Hostinger because it gives them long-term flexibility. So as your property grows, you can swap themes, add new functionality, or redesign without changing platforms. Now, the trade-off is that it's not as plug and play as something like Wix or Squarespace, and you might spend a little bit more time setting things up, choosing themes, and managing updates. Now, if you don't want to think about technical stuff at all, this might feel like a bit much. Pricing-wise, though, Hostinger is usually much cheaper month to month than any of the all-in-one builders out there, especially if you lock in a longer-term plan. With Hostinger, you're basically paying for hosting, and then you're layering on free or low-cost tools as needed. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, well, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. And if none of these options has you completely convinced yet, well, don't worry, because the next part here, I will show you exactly what to look for so you can quickly tell whether any website builder is truly right for your hotel. So when you're choosing a website builder for your hotel, there are a few key things that you really need to pay attention to. First, look at the booking functionality. So your site, it should make it incredibly easy for guests to check dates, see room options, and book without jumping through a bunch of hoops or being sent to a confusing third-party page. If the booking flow feels, clunky to you, it'll feel even worse to your guests. Second, pay attention to mobile experience. So a huge percentage of hotel searches and bookings, they happen on phones. So I recommend that you scroll through a demo site on your phone, right? So are the buttons easy to tap? Are room photos clear? And can you check availability without zooming in and out? Third, consider how well the builder can show off your property. So look for strong image galleries, video support, and layouts that highlight amenities, local attractions, and customer reviews. If your hotel has a rooftop bar, spa, or even an event space, you want that front and center. And fourth, think about integrations and scalability. So can it connect to your preferred booking engines, your channel managers, or property management system? Even if you're not using some of those tools yet, you might want them in the future as your hotel grows. And finally, don't ignore ease of use. So you or your staff should be able to update rates, add seasonal packages, or swap photos without feeling intimidated. When a builder nails these areas, it's going to support your hotel's growth instead of holding it back. But at the end of the day, Wix is usually the best overall option for most hotels because it balances ease of use, strong booking tools, clean templates, and solid pricing without forcing you to be a tech expert. So if you're frustrated with a site that looks dated, doesn't convert visitors into bookings, or is just a nightmare to update, Wix is probably the simplest way to fix that. Again, you can click right up here to create a free account, test out some hotel templates, and see how your property could look with a modern conversion-focused site. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about what's best for your hotel, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below, ask your questions, and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.